Hey guys, check out my boat.
Three, two, one. I'll see you on the titty side.
It's big. Big, bitch. Ah! We're scared. We're scared. Alright guys, we got the school bus over there. Haven't done any vlogging this entire trip, but to give you guys a little bit of an update, it's been a slow yet very fun trip. Will, what was the tragic moment that happened to us 2 days ago?
Kyle farting in the back of the bus, killing us all.
No, the tragic moment was when Will crashed the drone. Moment of silence. And now,
wait, hang on.
We have no aerial footage. But yeah, we're here at Lewis Falls. We're gonna jump some small stuff. Everyone's gonna go swimming. Then there's a bigger waterfall up the river. We're gonna hit that. And maybe tomorrow the goal is to hit Metlaco Falls, which was at the very top of everybody's list. But we went there. We were unable to jump it because it was just so gnarly. The canyon pretty much goes for over a mile. So once you jump it, you have to go down river for a mile at least.
And the water's freezing.
The water's freezing, and we didn't have the proper canyoning equipment to do so. So we're hopefully gonna go back there tomorrow and conquer that thing, be the first to jump it. And that thing is monstrous, dude. We're gonna go send a few. Look at this dude.
Look at those titties.
Look at those fat titties. Oh my God. Hey, does your fear ever stop you from cliff jumping?
All the time. I'm a scared little bitch.
See you on the other side. Stays alive. Stays alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together. Stays alive. Stays alive. Ooh, I got to keep it together. Keep it together. Ooh, I got to keep it together. Keep it together. Together.
World's largest salmon!
61'7".
Oh my god. I was there, dude. I can't believe it.
Oh god.
Killed it. Holy shit balls. Dude, I was walking there like trying to make every excuse. Like, oh, I can't get over the other side. Oh, the rocks are gonna be too slippery to get on. And then, yeah, dude, I just went for it. When I hit the water and was still conscious, I was like, no way! This is crazy! I can't believe I didn't get knocked out. So scared.
That was terrifying for us.
You're not supposed to land on your stomach naked from
61 feet.
Yeah, it's pretty massive. And it's not over yet. We got more adventures before these guys go home, and Will too. But we got a few more days out here. We'll catch you on the flip side next Sunday. Peace! Salmon!